Did you know that climate change could be fueling extreme hailstorms? An example of this occurred on August 31st, 2022, when a brutal hailstorm struck the small Spanish city of Bisbal d'Empordà. The storm unleashed balls of ice up to 12 centimeters wide, causing widespread damage to property and crops, injuring dozens of people, and even taking the life of a young child. This catastrophic event left scientists searching for answers. Research led by Juan Jesus González Alemán, an atmospheric scientist at the Spanish State Meteorological Agency in Madrid, suggests that this event could not have happened in a pre-industrial climate. The team of researchers suspected that a record-breaking marine heatwave in the western Mediterranean Sea had created the perfect conditions for this extreme hailstorm. This heat wave lasted 6 weeks and pushed seawater temperatures to about 30 degrees Celsius in some areas, or more than 3 degrees above normal. This could have supercharged the atmosphere with energy and moisture. One might find it counterintuitive to link hail, which requires cold, to a marine heat wave, but the extra energy the storm could draw from the hot sea allowed it to produce massive hailstones by staying longer at higher altitudes, where temperatures drop below freezing. Strong updrafts, fueled by warm sea temperatures and high humidity, can suspend larger hailstones, allowing them to grow for a longer time within the cloud. To further investigate, the researchers used computer simulations to recreate the storm under different circumstances. They adjusted the sea temperature to the average for that time of the year and tweaked atmospheric parameters to pre-industrial levels. The simulations showed that while the storm would have occurred with or without climate change, it wouldn't have been able to generate hailstones of the size witnessed in Bisbal d'Empordà in a pre-industrial climate. However, climate scientist Olivia Rompinen-Martius of the University of Bern in Germany advises caution in attributing hail events to climate change based on these kinds of simulations and past meteorological records. She stresses that multiple lines of evidence that are all robust are needed to really support attribution statements. In conclusion, while there is still much to learn about the relationship between climate change and extreme weather events, the evidence suggests that climate change could be contributing to the increase in extreme hailstorms. As the world continues to warm, these events could become more frequent and more destructive, causing significant damage to property, crops, and even human lives. The need for urgent action on climate change has never been greater.